practice plays.
So there's somebody out there right now, the light ain't on you, but keep making plays. Nobody's talking about you, but keep making plays.
That's right.
I know your sales numbers aren't where your friend is, but keep making plays. I know nobody's talking about you, and you're not on the leaderboard right now, but baby, keep making plays. I don't know what selfish is when you playing a team sport.
But even at a team sport, it was
Yeah.
my stats, my thing.
No, it wasn't about me, but the better I did, the better we were. So you could see it as selfishness, you could see it as braggadocious, you could see it as individualism, but the better you are, the better it's gonna be for your company, the better it's gonna be for your team, the better it's gonna be for your family, the better it's gonna be for your kids, the better it's gonna be for your siblings. So you got to do your thing. I love team. But in the middle of Dion, there's an I. In the middle of the win, there's an I. In the middle of Prime, there's an I. So I knew I had to do my job to make it easy for everybody else. Somebody made a mistake and slipped me a piece of paper and told me how much the defensive backs made at that point in time. That was like in the early 80s. I wasn't happy about that because defensive backs at that time were one of the lowest paid positions.
Yep.
And I said, I got to do something about that. I was already prime time from high school in the dark that they didn't know about. So when I got to college, prime time was still on the front license plate of my car. So I took that image, I took that phrase, I took that and marketed the heck out of that. So whether you liked me or you hated me, you wanted to see me play good or bad, and I was prime time. So I practiced my quotes. What do you think about the interception? Well, you shouldn't have threw it. You can do better than that. I'm the best thing since peanut butter and jelly. I had already rehearsed that. I had already rehearsed that in the dark. What do you think about that punt return? I told him not to kick to me. You'll be better off going for it on fourth down. I had already rehearsed these quotes because I believe, we're going back to I believe. I believed in me so much. I knew I was going to make the play, but I just needed a package of markability to put myself up there where no one was.